YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to remove the stove and cooker and the cabinets so that I can now put bunk beds in. And if you haven't been following already, what we're going to do is I'll just quickly show you now. So we're going to remove the bathroom, we're going to remove all this stuff, we're going to put bunk beds here, trying to keep these cabinets in. This goes up to 76 centimeters, so we're going to cut the bunk beds down to fit in and lower them slightly so there's plenty of headspace between each one. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is remove all the stuff from the cupboards, and we're going to remove the doors, and then also remove any stuff from the bathroom, which I've done. When you disconnect this, make sure that you turn the gas off. I've unplugged mine completely, and then I've burnt off any residue gas which might be in the pipe system. Also, you want to disconnect the battery as well, because the sink is electronically controlled, the 12-volt system, and so is the gas. So just make sure you disconnect the battery in the correct order, and I'll put that comment, I'll put the link in the description on how to do that in the comment section. It's on a car, but it's the same principle. One issue we've got here is this cabinet looks like it's secured with this. So what we might do is we might cut this down, and then to give it some structure, we're going to take it back to about there. The bunk bed should slot in through there, and then what we'll do is we'll tack it to this bit of wood. But if I can, I will try and remove this whole unit if possible. So yeah, first thing, remove these. And then we'll start removing the doors, and we'll go from there. I'm just going to remove these, and I am actually going to keep them because it's just good to have extra wood when you're restoring these caravans. And then also I might actually turn these into cupboard space. The next thing, obviously we don't want to be smashing glass, so we're removing these little screws underneath there to take this rail off, and hopefully that should free up the glass nicely. But look, there's only a few screws and it should just come off. So, but what I'd suggest is have one hand holding it, one hand unscrewing, just so you don't smash the glass. Next thing we're going to do is pick all this stuff away, hold it in place, loads of it, and then also on the inside, as you can see, we're going to be unscrewing these. Not on this side, I might just keep these ones up for now, they're riveted on. But yeah, we'll soon get this bad boy out. Next thing we can do is remove these two screws, one over there, and just see if the kitchen sink and the grill lift up as a wanna, and then therefore, if it does, it might give us a bit more wiggle room to disconnect everything underneath. Now you lifted it up, obviously it's still stuck, but you're gonna have to bring it up, disconnect the gas and any electrics you may see, and then you should just pull out. You can see they're both disconnected, so it should, once we've disconnected all that stuff, should just pull out. Next thing, we're going to be undoing these underneath the cooker side, just give it a bit more purchase, so then rip this thing out. So, if you can't cut the electrics, I'm just going to chin them off, and then I'll find a safe way of dealing with that. Now all these little bits there have got to be removed here, and I'm just going to pull it out, the whole unit out, and then we'll go from there. Right, so obviously that's it taken out and destroyed. The next video is going to be how to remove this wall. Obviously it'll be fairly generic on all Caravans, and yeah, I'm going to have to clean this up. The electrics I'm going to leave for the time being. I need to figure out exactly where they're coming in, and then from there I'm going to have to find out if we can snip the wires at the other end and leave these in in case I want a plug socket over here, or how exactly I feel about it, but we'll make that decision later on. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on to carry on this journey with me, and yeah, let's get it done.